Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just going to show you what's going to come with your kit that you have now ordered from SmartTools Plus. So this first is going to be your automated pump and Doppler all built in. This is the consumer version, meaning that this is going to be just used for yourself. It's not going to be used on other people, like you're a strength and conditioning coach or a physical therapist or somebody that's using it on someone else. So this is your consumer version. You either ordered one set of cuffs or two sets of cuffs. Two sets of cuffs would be considered whole body. So in this case, I've got the small cuff, which I would use for my upper extremity, and then I require the large cuff for my lower extremity because it's larger than 23.5 inches. So the other thing that you'll see is the your plug in order to plug in the pump and Doppler. The first thing that you want to do when you get your pump and Doppler is you want to plug it in. So it will come shipped from Cleveland, charged as much as possible, but you want to make sure that it's charged fully before you start to utilize it. So you just access the port. You're going to use the included charger. I'm going to plug it in and let it sit until it's fully charged.